Hello, dear friends. My name is Andrei Paskhin. I am a representative of Island Blue Cyprus, a highly respected, reputable developer of luxury properties in Paphos, Republic of Cyprus. On the 16th of July, I will be talking at Bosco webinar, and my presentation is dedicated to priorities that you will have to consider when applying for citizenship by investment for the European passport of Republic of Cyprus. So what are the criteria that you have to consider when applying? First of all, it's the reasons themselves on why you are applying, the reasons why it is Cyprus, then the actual aspects and conditions of the application process itself, and most importantly, in my mind, the properties that you will have to invest into. And why it is important for me, because I represent a developer. And so we'll look at a number of fantastic projects because they are award-winning, high specification, best locations, newly built properties in Cyprus, in Paphos and around Paphos. So looking forward to see you all on the 16th of July. And I hope you'll enjoy my presentation. Thank you.